start. These are mechanical design modules. This is the interface, CATIA interface. These are the menu bar. Okay, Innovia, file, edit, view, insert, tools, windows, help. Here insert, it is important. In this insert we get number of options based on the modules we use, workbench we use. Okay, so it changes every time. What we used, based on that we get the number of options here. So keep this in mind, it is very important. So here we get tools, everything. Now to start the drawing or any module, sketch or everything, it is the option here, start. These are the workbenches, number of workbenches. Here it is. In this workbenches again we have sub modules. These are all modules. Okay, for example, infrastructure is a workbench, mechanical design, shape, analysis and simulations, AC, plant, machining, digital mockup, equipment systems, digital process for manufacturing, machining simulations, humanoid related design. Here we can design in ergonomic design and analysis. So these are the parts. Here if we click here exit, we can shut. This software will be shut down here. We can exit here and we can close by here, red button. Okay, this is the startup. So in this workbench we are going to learn mechanical design. In this mechanical design workbench, these are all modules: part design, assembly design, sketcher, product functional tolerancing and annotations, will design. Like these are all modules. In these modules we are going to learn part design, assembly design, sketcher, drafting, and sheet metal, wireframe and surface designing. If in case further interested, we will go for functional tolerancing and annotations. These things in my tutorials I want to cover this all, from basic to advanced level. What I have knowledge on this software, I will share everything. Okay, so now start. Now see here, our interface is empty now. Here no toolbars. Here generating option, all general options you will be get here. So here status bar. Here status bar means what we have selected, what we have do, it will be represent here. Okay, so now let's start mechanical design, part design. Okay, now see, now we got something will be placed on interface. So this is called specification tree. Okay, these are all tools. We can move these tools by dragging. Okay, like we can pull in, we can pull out. Okay, this is the view. Okay, now see here, select an object or command. It's giving some instructions. That is nothing but it is a status bar. This is the planes, and this is the 3D navigation compass. You can drag it like. Now it is moving its original position. For example, if I draw any object here, we can drag on the object, so it will be placed there. Okay, in further I will explain that. Okay, now see here, insert. Initially we saw this insert option, but nothing is there in that. See now, body, geometrical set, order geometrical set, annotations, constraints, sketcher. Again here constraint, there is nothing is there, only constraint option is there. If we go further, some more options will be displayed here. Sketcher, axis, sketch based future. These are all 3D related options. Dress up future, surface based future, transformation futures, it's boolean operation, advanced dress up futures. Everything will be in hide now because we didn't sketch anything here. If we draw any 3D model, these are all options will be activated. Okay, let's see. Select one plane, click sketch. Now we enter into the sketch workbench. Okay, see here, this is exit workbench, this is sketcher. You can see here, this is sketcher, it is exit workbench. Now we are in sketcher. So if we click here exit workbench, again we will move from sketcher to part design. Okay, let's see exit workbench. Now we are in part design. Of course we are not getting anything. Let's see, select the plane, sketcher. Now I want to draw a small rectangular box. I am drawing a sketch. Okay, now I am doing exit workbench. I want to pad, means adding some material. We can pull it and pull down, like we can pull, or else we can give the dimensions here. See their length, it is increasing their length value. Okay, select it. Okay, now I want to add some more. Select the plane, sketch. Now I want to add circle, exit workbench. Again I want to add some pad. Okay, now I'm selecting here, sketch. Again select some kind of whole circle, exit workbench. Now I'm choosing pad, sorry, pocket. Pocket means it's removal option, it removes the material. Okay, see, material is removed here. I draw this is because to show how the sketch specification tree works here. I said this is a specification tree plus arrow mark. Here we get tree expansion, how we constructed this part. We can see here step by step. First I draw this pad. Okay, see, first I draw this pad, second I draw this circular pad. I remove some material using pocket. So one object we design in CATIA, here we can know that how we designed, what is the process step by step. We can check everything by using specification tree. That is a very useful tool. Before learning CATIA, we have to get some idea on the specification tree. That is the main important. If I want to edit something, anything in this part, for example I want to edit this sketch. See, I want to increase this length. Now it is 71. I will type 120. Okay, see here it increased. Okay, like by using specification tree, we can modify this part whatever we designed. Okay, that's the main important of the specification tree, and the specification tree will be located on the left side of the screen. And one more thing, we have to learn about the mouse controlling. It's very important. Without controlling the mouse, we can't become a perfect modular designer. Thanks for watching CATIA tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.